Microsoft Dynamics Express, a product of Wishlist Corporation and powered by Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Today we will be looking at basic navigation. We are going to be covering the navigation pane, the role-tailored client, the Microsoft Dynamics Express ribbon, along with custom lists. Let us begin by opening up Microsoft Dynamics Express. Dynamics Express opens up into the role-tailored client. The role-tailored client is divided into three areas. The left-hand side contains the navigation pane. The middle of the screen contains the role center, and the right-hand side contains custom lists. Let's take a look at the navigation pane. The navigation pane has a look and feel similar to that of Microsoft Outlook. It has various menu items or modules within Microsoft Dynamics Express, such as the Sales module, Purchases, Inventory, or even the Finance module. By clicking on each of these various modules, our menu changes and is related to the direct module which we are in. Clicking on Sales will show us items of the sales nature. There is also a ribbon at the top of the screen, which is also directly related to the module that we are in and to the area of that module. We are now by sales quotes. We can see that the ribbon is divided into a new section as well as processes, and these relate directly to the sales module. If we had to click on the finance module, we'll notice that our ribbon has now changed and is related to the finance module, such as general ledger items and trial balances in the reports section. Navigation on the ribbon as well as on the navigation pane only requires a single click. However, if we navigate to the inventory menu and call up our item list, to call up an item card would require a double click. We can either press escape to close our item card, or we can click on the X at the top right hand side of the screen. This will return us to our previous items menu. I would like for you to navigate back to the role-tailored center. To do this, select the Home button on your navigation pane and click on the Role-Centered button at the top menu. The center of the screen controls the role center. The role center is related to the role-tailored client. Role-tailored client is a client, a graphical user interface which is directly related to your role in the organization. This demo purposes is set up for the sales role. You could have various roles, and Microsoft Dynamics Express comes pre-configured with roles for CEOs, for purchase procurement officers, or clerks within the organization. If we look closely at the role center here, we can see there are various activities. Activities for sales quotes, sales orders, and purchase orders. We can see there are various icons. Some of these icons have numbers in them. For example, the Open Orders icon has a number of 20. This tells us that there are 20 open sales orders on the system. To navigate to the list of open sales orders, simply do a single click on the Open Sales Orders icon. This will open up the list of the open sales orders on the system. We can still see that our ribbon is now related directly to the open sales orders. I would like for you to navigate back to the Role Center by clicking on the Role Center at the top left-hand side of the navigation pane. There are various other activities. Under Sales Quotes, we have Open Quotes, Pending Quotes, and Released Quotes. Under the Sales Orders, we have Open Sales Orders which are released, we have sales orders which have been shipped but not invoiced, and we have overdue sales invoices. Under the Purchases module, we have Open Purchase Orders, we have Pending Approval Purchases, we have Released Purchases, and we have purchases which need to be invoiced on the system. There are also some buttons as well, such as we can create a new customer directly from the role center, or create a new sales order directly from the role center as well, along with creating a new purchase order. Let us take a look at the custom lists. On the right hand side there are custom lists for customers, for vendors, and for items. Each of these lists work the same, and they are unique to you as a user. You would create or add items or customers or suppliers into these lists that you deal with on a regular basis. The lists that you create will not affect any other users on the system, and they are directly related to you as a user, to your personal settings on the system. I want to show you how to add a vendor. Navigate to the vendor's custom list, click on the Action button, and click on Manage Lists. From the drop-down list, select one of the vendors that are on the system and click on the OK button. You can make changes by clicking and dragging the column widths, or selecting the Action button and selecting Choose Columns. I can also show the balance and remove the phone number. Clicking on OK will update the changes we have made. We can now see the vendor name, number, as well as the vendor's balance on the system. The My Items list and the Customers lists will work exactly the same. This was the basic navigation demonstration video. Thank you for watching this video by Microsoft Dynamics Express. For further information, please visit our website on www.dynamicsexpress.com.